Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. If I can get it out of the bag. It keeps catching. Alright, we have two Joy Sunday kits. Let me put those away. And they come from the DiamondArtDecor store. If they have any specials, any discount codes, coupons, or if I have any, they'll all go right in here. So let's see what we have in this bag. Okay, the first one says, seriously? 11 by 14 centimeters. Is it even in there? That just sounds way too small for me, but okay. Let me get it out of its bag. Has a huge pattern though. There you go. It's called Fall in a Jar. I don't know if they have all the seasons or not, but yeah, it is 14 count and it is as big as a minute. It is 41 stitches wide by 53 high, and we have a total of 26 colors. You have two different sets of your key. Top one goes to the paper pattern, bottom goes to the canvas, and I have a feeling since it's so small, you are going to need this. And when you turn it over, it does have some back stitching. Nice big huge key though. I mean, it's like 4 times the size of the canvas here. Yeah, there's the canvas and there's the pattern. So you should be able to see everything perfectly. Let's see what we have for colors. We have 310 black. We have a 900, which is a red. No, 823 or 939. No, 3371, and we're using B5200 for the white. We have 3 colors, 26 colors in full stitch, and 3 in French knot, and 3 in back stitch. So not too extensive. But yeah, I just thought it was kind of cute, you know. So we may save this for our fall episodes. Let's take a look at those beautiful fall colors. Does come on the good thread card with all the information, product number, all the DMC numbers, how many threads, and the thread card numbers, plus 2 needles. But look at those bright cherry fall colors. Aren't they gorgeous? I love fall. Just so colorful. We even have some pink in there. There's your B5200, and this is 951. It's kind of a palish tan. So yeah, I guess the darkest color in the whole mess is the 310 black. So yeah, won't take much thread, I can guarantee that. And it is a partial. Shall we take a look at this ginormous canvas? There you go. Maybe I can bring you down in so you can see it. Isn't that cute? But yeah, the numbers are so small you can't hardly see. I mean, seriously, if you look, they're fairly clear. I can see them, but at a glance, I'd kind of like the rest of it. And it is kind of confetti. It starts to get a little blurry when you have 4 numbers in the DMC. And on this side, it is serged all the way around. Shall we measure it? That's the smallest thing I've ever seen. All right, so it is 6 inches or 15.5 centimeters by 4 inches or a little over 10 centimeters. The actual picture size is 3 inches. Oops, I forgot to tell you centimeters. Almost 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters by a little over 3 3/4 inches or almost 10 centimeters. Yeah, it's a biggie. So we'll save this for fall endeavors. Let me bring you back this way so we can see everything. And this next one, I mean, talking about going from one extreme to the next, this one is 53 centimeters by 44 centimeters. I believe it is a 14 count. Okay. I couldn't remember if it was 14 or 11. I've been sneaking those 11s in left and right. And not even on purpose. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. We'll take you out first. Good gravy. That sucker is in there. I don't know if I can even get that all back in there. All right. Let's take a look. This is called Joy on a Branch 4. Isn't it beautiful? I just love all the flowers. I love the birds. Just everything. And I have no idea if there's any back stitching to this. This one was $15.54. The first one that I showed you was $2.99. So let's take this out. It is 248 stitches by 198 stitches. This booklet is divided into 8 sections. And it looks like we're going to have some, what do you call that? Half cross stitch in this. I'm surprised there's no back stitching around the bird. There's a little bit here and there in the floral part of it, and not too much, and a little bit around the edge of the building, like under the eave, so to speak, in here, and then around the window there. Let's see here. A little bit more on the edges. So you could add as much back stitching to this as, you know, you deemed that it needed. There's a little bit more down through here on this basket affair with the flowers. But the rest of it is around this build and around there. So, yeah, and just a tad touch in these flowers, but nothing on the birds. I don't know, I think they kind of dropped the ball. Just saying. Let's see. Oh my goodness gracious. Are you kidding? Are you ready? It has 86 total colors. And you have 86 that are in full stitch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11 in back stitch. There is no half cross stitch in this at all. Nope. None. And it is full coverage. We have 310 black. No 498. No 550 purple. We have 552 and 54. They are shades of purple, but not my purple. And we have 823. No 939. Using B5200 for the white, and they do have the 3371, which is a dark brown. So yeah, and they're not using it for any of the back stitching, so it must go within the picture. So yeah, 2 sets of numbers. This goes to the paper pattern. This one over here goes to the canvas. So let's take a look at all 88. 88! Holy Toledo. Really? Gee, Manelli. We have 2 needles, great thread cards. There are 3 of them. Count them. 1, 2, and 3. Let's take a look. There's your B5200 and your 3371. But beautiful greens, yellows, browns, blues, turquoise, teal, greens, pinks, oranges, yellows, bright yellow, orangish yellow, more blues, tans, off-white. That is kind of a brick red. I think that's the only red I've seen so far. Blues, gorgeous, gorgeous. So some of these are only going to get about 5 stitches, and the rest, you know, is going to carry it all. Beautiful. There's those. No, that's not. Sorry, I spoke too soon. Your 208 and 209 in purple. I thought it was the 550 ones. Tans, kind of a, I don't know what that's called. It's kind of a brown. We'll just go with there. Kind of a yellow green. Lots of shades of green. There are your 552 and 554. Very close to 550 purple. About 2 more shades and it would be 550. But beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. This is going to be stunning. And it's full coverage, kids. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at that small canvas. Holy cow. This one takes up the whole desk. The other one would have fit in my pocket. All right. It is serged all the way around. Has a lovely key running along all about 3 edges. Over here we have all your back stitch. This starts your full stitch all the way down and around and all the way to the end. So yeah, wow. There are some big areas in this. It is not very confettied. Let's take a look at how big it is. Okay, 53 centimeters or 20 3/4 inches. It's a good size. 43.5 centimeters or 17 1/4 inches. Actual picture size is about 14 1/4 inches or 36 centimeters by it looks like 17 3/4 inches or 45 centimeters. But very well printed, very nice, very easy to see symbols. And you could see that on the other one too. I'm going to fold this and bring it up. So, whoops, sorry, I always hit that bell, don't I? Very nice, very easy to see symbols. Hopefully it's focusing. And it looks, you know, this kind of gives the impression of confetti, but it's more of the stripe on that basket. So there's like 1, 2, 3, and then it starts again the same symbols, and then there's one more in between it. So it's the stripes. See how it's going in a line like that? So, yeah. But very nice. Very well done. Never been wet. Love it. Yeah, I was really holding my breath on this one, actually. So, I'm glad it all turned out well. Now, that is all that I got from Diamond Art Decor. Thank you, Diamond Art Decor, for these 2 gorgeous kits. Love them both, but we will be starting the Joy on a Branch today, if that's what they call it. And what they called it at the store was Happiness on a Branch. Okay, moving on, right? Oh my goodness. Now, Diamond Art Decor does have free shipping over $49. They have cross-stitch, diamond painting, paint by number, and tools and crafts for all of that. They have some craft booking things and some quill paper things. Also the wax stamps and 3D cards, greeting cards. And they also do custom diamond painting. They always have great prices, great selections. Do check them out. Thank you, everyone, for watching today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.